Yeah, a track Germany, check it one time for your mind. We travel through time, memories in the wind, beats that caress the soul, rhymes that touch the heart. This is the sound of an era that never grows old.
In the streets where stories unfold, every step an echo that tells of freedom. We are the dreamers who touch the sky with every beat, creating a new world. Dreams of yesterday, hope for tomorrow. Rapping about life, no time for worries. With every verse, a piece of ourselves given. In music we find our true life. Let the beats roll, feel the flow. Every beat a pulse that drives us forward. Together, hand in hand in this land of music, where rhythms connect us like an invisible bond.
We live for the sound, for what remains, and every word that drives through the night. A song of love, a song of pain, old school rhythms that unite us in our hearts. We live for the sound, for what remains, and every word that drives through the night. A song of love, a song of pain, old school rhythms that unite us in our hearts.
In the darkness, we shine bright. Every rap a chapter we tell of the highs and lows that life brings. A song that resonates and sings within us. With every beat that unleashes the soul, we stand strong. Even when the world turns, we are the poets of the street, the heroes of the night. With our rhymes we create a new splendor. Hear the melody that unites us. Every beat a step into infinity. Together we stand strong and free in the world of sounds that never fades.
We live for the sound, for what remains, and every word that drives through the night. A song of love, a song of pain, old school rhythms that unite us in our hearts. We live for the sound, for what remains, and every word that drives through the night. A song of love, a song of pain, old school rhythms that unite us in our hearts.
Wir tanzen im Regen, lachen mit dem Wind, unsere Stimmen erheben sich. Ein Lied beginnt in der Symphonie des Lebens. Bitten wir den Weg, ein Pfad aus Rhythmen, der uns niemals verlässt. Yeah, ein letztes Mal, wir heben ab. In den Sternen geschrieben, unser Lebenspfad. Mit jedem Schlussakkord ein neuer Beginn. Dies ist der Klang, der in unseren Herzen singt.
We dance in the rain, laugh with the wind. Our voices rise, a song begins. In the symphony of life we find the way.